Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Tech Like YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you one of the best alternative app for the Zoom. So in this video I am going to explain the full details and what are the additional benefits of the app. So before going to the video, please just subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So now let's get into the topic. So first of all, open the Play Store and search for the JioMeet. So this app is developed by the Jio and it is an officially launched, and also it has so many benefits when we compare to the Zoom. So I will show the one by one all the process, how we can sign up and how we can do the process. So I will open it once. So once you install, so here there is an three options. You can join directly, or else you can sign up for it, or else if you have an already account you can sign it. So if you not have an account also, through the link you can directly join through the guest mode. So I will first sign up with this. So I will enter my mobile number and name and last name, and I will get back to you. Once you done all the things, just tick on it. So once you done, click on next. So here friends, you will get a verification mail. You should verify it. So let us once check our mail. As you can see here, I got the mail from the JioMeet to verify the account. So I will click on verify. So as you can see here they are asking to enter the password. So I will enter my password and I will get back to you. So here friends, basically we should have at least 8 characters. So one letter and one letter with the small and the capital letter. You should maintain the specific characters also in this to get the password, to keep the strongest password. So once you done, so as you can see here, we got your personal meeting URL also. So once we're done, we can just go to let us go to this and click on next. Okay, so let us enter our email ID. So once you enter, I will get back to you once I enter the password. So as you can see here friends, so here we need to allow some permissions for it to access your contacts. So let us allow it. So here friends, there is basically there is a new meeting. So if you want to create any meeting video conference, just you can add using the first option, and the second one is help to join the meeting. So you can join the meeting over here, and also third option is schedule. So you can schedule the meeting also. So and the fourth option is you can share the screen with your friends so that they can see your screen. And here friends, in the bottom you will be getting an option. So here there is an option called meetings. So just click on it. So once you click on it, so here we can edit there is so many options are available here over here. So here we will be getting a personal meeting ID, and also there are so many options friends over here. As you can see here, host video on, so you can enable the host. So participation video on, and enable waiting room. You can enable this to for the waiting room. So if you don't want, you can disable it. And also they allow join before host. So before hosting you can join the members, so they will be in waiting. So if you want to use this feature, you can enable it, or if you don't want to use, you can disable it. And also there is a major useful option is friends, don't allow guest user. So basically friends, we don't want to allow any guest user. So basically guest user nothing but the one who does not have any ID in this app. So if you don't want to allow, so you can just turn on it so that the guest user can't join. So because mainly friends, here when the user joins with the ID, so we can easily find the name. So let us save it. So once we done, there is an contacts option, so where you can invite your friends. So you can do the group also, and also in the settings option there are lots of options available here. So you can set all those things. And the friends, there is the special features in this app is mainly you can continuous, it is the free of cost, first thing. And the second thing is you can do the video conference, video meeting for the 24 hours. So it will be available for the PC, Windows version, Android version, Mac version, and the Apple version. For all the devices it will be available. For the JioMeet is the best app for the Indians, where you can use our data is also secured, and also we will be getting the lot of options and the mainly our data will be safe, friends. So I hope this app is helpful for you, and you can start the video meeting with this app, and you can add the maximum of 100 members. So and also friends, here we no need to pay any charges for them. So we no need to take any subscription. Basically in the Zoom app, for the 40 minutes more than it will be automatically disconnected. So if you want to more, we want to go for the premium packs. So in this app there is no such kind of things, friends. Just you can go through it. So it is the best app where you can use for the meeting. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and share this video with your friends and family members, and like this video and comment your opinion below. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.